Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss Karnataka State previous year question paper from 2013 to 2020 linear algebra question paper. All linear algebra question paper. This is a 2020 question paper. First question: let R denote an arbitrary 3 cross 4 matrix of rank 2. Let us suppose R be a 3 cross 4 matrix of rank 2 and O denote the 3 cross 4 matrix, all of whose entries are 0. All of whose entries are 0. That is 3 cross 4 matrix. All entries are 0. That means rank is 0. What is the rank of the following 12 cross 16 matrix? Here given R. R is this is R 3 cross 4 matrix. 3 cross 4 matrix. Let us suppose that this is R rank 2 and 3 cross 4 matrix, and this is R this is a 'R' and next one is O. This is O 3 cross 4 matrix, and that is written as R O. Here R O R minus R minus R O R O R O O O R. Here matrix given. This is written as a matrix. What is the rank of the following 12 cross 16 matrix? Here this is a dependent. This is all are 0, and this is all are 0, and this is all are 0, and this is all are 0. Here 4 discarded, and this 2 line, this is a 2 row, depend on decision. This is also discarded, and here given first row, second row, and this row, and this 2. That is here 2 rank in first 2 rows, and fourth and fifth here 2 rows, and here 2. This is the 2 2 2. That means total 6. Answer is the 6. In this matrix we get 6 rank. Next question. This is for your homework. Answer is plus or minus root 2. And next question. This is let M be a 3 let M be a real 3 cross 3 matrix which has a 0, 1 and minus 1 as a eigenvalue. Here I am written as a eigenvalue 0, 1, minus 1. And which of the following is not a true of M? Here given a not a true. This is very important. And first of all, we know that how to find characteristic equation. This is a very simple shortcut method. This is minus 1 raised to cube x cube plus minus 1 raised to square trace of that matrix into x square plus minus 1 into sum of principal minor of order 2. That means sum of principal of minor of order 2 into x plus determinant. Here minus 1 into x cube. Here a trace. Here eigenvalue given 0, 1, minus 1. That is a trace equal to sum of eigenvalue equal to 0. Here trace is a 0 and the determinant is a 0. Multiplication of all eigenvalue. This is also 0 and sum of principal minor of order 2. That is 0. Product of two eigenvalue, that is minus 1 and this one, this is 0 and this one, this is 0, that is a minus 1 is a sum of principal minor of order 2. This is the written as this one. And the next step is minus x cube plus x equal to 0. Minus x cube plus x equal to 0 and finally we get x cube equal to x, that is m cube equal to m. This is finally we get. And in option check, option A, m raised to 8 plus m raised to 4 equal to m raised to 6 plus m square, that is written here. And put m cube equal to m. Here we find m raised to 8 equal to m raised to 3 plus 3 plus 2. Here m cube equal to m plus m square, that is m raised to 4. M raised to 4 and this is m cube equal to, put here m cube equal to m and m cube plus m, that is m plus m, that is m square. This is finally we get. And here m raised to 8 equal to m square, m raised to 4 equal to m square, and put this value. And m raised to 6 equal to m square equal to m square. Finally we get equal to, equality. Therefore option A is the correct option. Here ask which of the following is not true. This is the correct option. Now next check for a second option. This is written as a given option and we put m raised to 7 equal to m square. This is also hold equality. This is also correct option. Next check for option D. Next check for option D. Here this is option written same here and we put as a m raised to 9 equal to, this is a m plus 3m square plus 2m equal to m square plus 2m square plus 3m square, and finally we get 3m square plus 3m equal to 3m square plus 3m. This is the equality hold. This is also correct option. And now check for option C. This is m raised to 8 plus 3m square plus 2m plus equal to, this is the written, and put m cube equal to m. Here we get this m square plus 3m square plus 2m equal to m square plus 2m square plus 3m. This is a not equality hold, that is the wrong option. Therefore answer C is correct. Next question. 4 cross 4 real matrix has a rank 3. What is the rank of adjoint? Here matrix given 4 cross 4 and rank is given 3, that is less than 4. This is one result. Let A be a square matrix of order n. Here n equal to 4. Then if rank of A is less than n minus 1, then rank of adjoint of A is 0. This is very important. If rank of A is less than equal to n minus 1, this is the second one is correct here. n equal to 4 and n minus 1 equal to 3. Here given a rank 3, that is rank of adjoint of A equal to 1. Answer is 1. Therefore that is answer B is correct. Next question. How many different non-equivalent non-degenerate symmetric bilinear form are there in R/4? This is for your homework. Answer is B. Next question. The matrix 2 1 1 x is a positive definite depend only. What is a positive definite matrix? All principal minor is greater than 0. Then that matrix is a positive matrix, or all eigenvalue are positive, then that is said to be as a positive definite matrix. Here given matrix and 2, determinant of 2 is greater than 0. Determinant of 2 here first minor greater than 0, and next for 2 1 1 x is greater than 0 for a positive definite. And now find 2x, find the determinant of this matrix is greater than 0, and 2x is greater than 1, and finally we get x is greater than 1 by 2. That is answer B is correct. Next question. Let V be the vector space of all n cross n real skew symmetric. Here given a real skew symmetric matrix, then dimension of V over R is a skew symmetric matrix, then R over R equal to n minus 1 upon 2 C over R. Then this is the formula n into n minus 1. Here given R over R. Therefore answer D is correct. Here given C over R, then answer is n square minus n. This is correct. Here given R over R. Therefore answer D is correct. Next question. Let A equal to 1 1 4 1. Choose the correct statement in the following. Here given matrix A 1 1 4 1, and what is the diagonalizable? Is diagonalizable and its diagonal form is answer B is correct. Here find AM and GM of that eigenvalue. Here 3 and minus 1 are 2 eigenvalue. Find AM of that eigenvalue equal to 1, and find also GM of that eigenvalue. This is also 1. For lambda equal to minus 1, AM equal to 1 and GM equal to 1. Therefore AM equal to GM. Then it is a diagonalizable. Therefore option A is not true. And now check for option C, and A is similar to option C. Then trace, determinant and Jordan block, this is also same. This here check for given matrix A. here trace is the true, and here trace is the -2, therefore C also wrong, and here trace is the -4, this is also wrong. Here A, C, D are not true, then B is also correct. And here check for trace 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Here trace in matrix A, trace equal to 2, and here also 2. And find determinant. Here determinant is -3 and here determinant is -3. Therefore answer B is correct. Next question. Let x, y, z be linearly independent vectors in R4. Then the vector x plus y, y plus z, and z plus x are written as a here 4 option given, and x plus y, that is a x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Here z is absent, therefore z equal to 0. And second one is here x is absent, that is written as a 0, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. And here x is present and y is absent, z is present, that is 1 1 1 written as a standard basis. And now find for determinant, and determinant is not equal to 0, therefore so this is a linearly independent. This is also very simple question. Next question. The dimension of the subspace W of Rn, here W is given by the here one is a formula, dimension of W equal to here given n means n minus number of linearly independent equation. Here given only one equation, here only linearly independent equation is a 1, that is written as a n minus linearly independent equation, that is n minus 1, and the answer we get n minus 1, answer C. Next question. Consider the subspace of R6 spanned by the column of the following 6 cross 8 matrix. What is its dimension? First of all, check delete. Here column, first column is a delete because all are 0, and third also delete because all are 0, and last column also 0, last row also 0, therefore that is deleted, and this is also deleted. And now check for dimension. What is the dimension? Dimension equal to minimum of row or column. Here minimum 4, here given 1 2, here row, here minimum is 1 2 3 4, and 4, and column are 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 6, minimum 4 and 6 is 4, therefore answer is 4. Here dimension is 4. Next question. What is the shortest distance in R cube between the point 1 2 3 and the plane x plus y plus z equal to 0? Here given a point 1 2 3, that is x0 y0 z0, x0 y0 z0, and x plus ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is a standard formula, and here a is given 1, y is given, b is given 1, c is given 1, d is 0. This is the standard formula. Ax0 plus by0 plus cz0 plus d upon root a square plus b square plus c square. Put this value, and x0 y0 z0 is 1 2 3. Put this value in 1 2 3 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 6 upon root 3, and multiply numerator and denominator by root 3, and finally we get 3 6 root 3. Finally we get 2 root 3 answer. Here given option C, 2 root 3. Next question, which one of the following is an eigenvalue of the matrix below? This is one standard formula. If row sum or a column sum of the matrix is the same, then that is the eigenvalue. Here check. Here is a column sum or a sum. 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. That is a 4. And here also check, all column are check, and 4 4 4 4 is the same answer. Therefore 4 is an eigenvalue. 4 is an eigenvalue. Option A is correct. Next question, if a 3 cross 3 real matrix A has a eigenvalue 2, here given 2, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, each of the following is an eigenvalue of 8aq plus 5i minus 4 minus a square. Here I denote the identity matrix of size 3 cross 3. First of all, this is written here, and let us suppose minus 1 by 2 is an eigenvalue. Then this is put in this here, minus 1 upon 2 aq q plus 5i minus 4 upon this one, and finally we get minus 1 plus 5 minus 4 into 4 minus 1 plus 5 minus 16. That is the answer is a minus 12. Here given answer option A is correct. Next question, suppose that M is a 4 cross 7 real matrix, that is a row equivalent to the following matrix. Here which of the following statement about are not necessarily true? Here given not necessarily true, it means false statement. In option A given all entries in the first column of M are 0. All entries in the first column, that means first column, this is all are 0. This is a true statement. Next, in option C, the third and fourth column of M are linearly dependent. Now check for third and fourth. Third and fourth column, here given, this is a linearly dependent. Here a rank 1 matrix, therefore this is a linearly independent. And next question, next option given, the second, fifth and seventh column of M spans its column, that is second, fifth and seventh. Here written, this is the standard basis, it spans its column space. This is also correct, this is also correct, this is also correct. One is wrong. That is the first 3 rows of M are linearly independent. First 3 rows of M are linearly independent. First 3 rows are linearly dependent. Next question, let A be a 4 cross 5 real matrix. Consider the system X equal to B of a linear equation where X is the 5 cross 1 column matrix of indeterminate and B is the some fixed 4 cross 1 column matrix with real entries. Suppose that A is the row equivalent to the matrix R below and that C and D below both. Solution to X equal to B. This is for your homework. Answer is a 7. Next question, consider the similarity equivalence relation on 6 cross 6 real matrix with the characteristic polynomial t minus 6 raised to 6. Here am algebraic multiplicity equal to 6 and a minimum polynomial. Here given a 3 equal to 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3 and find partition of 3. What is the partition of 3? Answer is a 3. 3 can be written as a 3, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 6 equal to 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 2 plus 1 and last one given a 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is a possible matrices. Here answer is A is correct, 3. Next question. The rank and signature of the quadratic form minus xy plus z square in a 3 variable over the real is. Here given a minus xy, that is written as a minus 1 upon, here minus 1 is written as a minus 1 by 2 and here 0 and z is given as a 1. Here y square is 0, x square is 0. This is written as a this matrix and find its eigenvalue. Here eigenvalue are plus or minus 1, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 1 is eigenvalue. Here rank is 3. First of all, here given a rank. Here in A, C, D option 3 is correct. And now check for a signature. What is the signature? Number of positive eigenvalue minus number of negative eigenvalue. Here positive eigenvalue are 2 and negative eigenvalue are 1. Therefore 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Here answer C is correct. Next question. Which one of the following is a false statement? False statement. A matrix B is an nilpotent if and only if trace is 0. If I take one matrix, here trace 0 matrix, here I take a trace 0 matrix 1 minus 1, that is 0, and this is not a nilpotent matrix. Trace 0 but not a nilpotent matrix. Therefore answer C is correct. Next question. If A and B are a square matrix of order n, which one of the following is never possible? One standard result. Rank of A plus B is less than or equal to rank of A plus rank of B. This is a standard result. Here this is maybe true, this is maybe true, and this is also true. This is not possible for any matrix. Therefore answer A is correct. Next question. Which one of the following statement is not true? Here given not true. Other option are correct. There always exists a basis for a finite dimensional vector space. This is true. If he is a finite dimensional vector space, then he is canonically isomorphic to his double star. And this is also true. For every subspace W1 of a finite dimensional vector space V, there exists a subspace W2 of V such that V equal to W1 plus W2. This is also true. This is the wrong option. Next question. Let the characteristic equation of a matrix A given lambda square minus lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Then given option, find A inverse. Here given lambda square minus lambda minus A by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, that is written as A square minus A minus 1 and divided by A. We can divide by this equation by A, and here we get A square by A equal to A, and the minus 1 minus A inverse equal to 0, and A minus 1 equal to A inverse. This is the option given. This is a true. Next question. if alpha equal to 3 1 minus 4, beta equal to 2 2 minus 3, and gamma equal to 0 minus 4 1 are vectors in R cube, then given option alpha beta gamma are linearly dependent, independent, alpha beta linearly dependent, independent, alpha gamma linearly dependent. Now check for here given 3 1 minus 4, that is written as a 3 1 minus 4, 2 2 minus 3, 2 2 minus 3, and 0 minus 4 1, 0 minus 4 1, and find a determinant, and finally we get minus 30 plus 30, that is equal to 0. If linearly dependent, then determinant equal to 0, if and only if case. Linearly dependent, if and only if determinant equal to 0. If determinant of not equal to 0, then linearly independent statement. This is the imply and implement statement. Next question, if W1 and W2 are two subspace of a finite dimensional vector space V, then dimension of W1 plus W2 equal to, this is the direct result, dimension of W1 plus W2 equal to dimension of W1 plus W2 minus dimension of W1 intersection W2. This is the direct result. Next question, if V is the vector space of all 2 cross 2 matrices over the field of A, here given 2 cross 2, here given R over R, that is this is a 2 cross 2 matrix into here M is a 2 and N is a 2, therefore 2 into 2 equal to 4, answer get 4. And if they get C over R, then answer is 2Mn. Next question, which one of the following is not a linear transformation from R cube to R cube? First of all, check what is the linear transformation. First property that satisfies 0 properties. T of 0 0 0 equal to, here given 1x 0 z, here 1 0 z, that is not equal to 0 0 0. This is not a linear transformation, therefore answer D is correct. Next question, let V be a vector space over a field F, which one of the following statement is true? Here they ask which of the following is true. Any non-empty finite generating subset of V contains a basis of V. This is a correct statement. And next option, V is always isomorphic to the vector space Fn for some positive integer. This is not true. V always has infinitely many elements. This is also not true. V can never contain a subspace with finitely many elements. This is also not correct. Therefore answer is correct. Next question, here given let ax1 plus bx2 equal to alpha and cx1 plus dx2 equal to beta be a two linear equation with a, b, c, d, alpha, beta are real numbers. Which of the following statement is true? Here given two equation, and this is suppose this is for homogeneous cases, and here find a determinant a, b, c, d. This is a non-zero, that means not equal to 0, then implies given equation as a unique solution. If determinant equal to 0, then in homogeneous case there are infinitely or no solution. In option D given, if the rank of the matrix A, B, C, D is equal to not 0, then there is always x1 has to satisfy the both of the equation, that means unique solution. Therefore answer D is correct. Next question, let M be a real 4 cross 4 matrix with characteristic polynomial as a product of x square plus 1 and x square minus 2, then M is similar to. Here find root of x square plus 1, here root is x plus 1, x minus 1, and find x square plus 2, x plus 2i and x minus 2i, here plus or minus I plus or minus 2i, here this is a complex eigenvalue, therefore distinct eigenvalue, then it is a diagonalizable. Here given a complex eigenvalue, therefore the matrix A is a diagonalizable over the complex number. That is answer A is correct. Next question. Let T be a endomorphism of a finite dimensional vector space over a field. Which of the following is the true? Every matrix of T depends on basis. This is a change of basis implies change of matrix. This is the option A is correct. Next question. Let V be a finite dimensional inner product space. Which one of the following is the true? One standard result. Every finite dimensional inner product space has a orthonormal basis. That means forms any basis one can obtain an orthonormal basis. Option C is the correct. Next question. Let A be a 3 cross 3 real symmetric matrix. Which of the following is the true? Here given a real symmetric matrix. We know that one standard result. All eigenvalue of a real symmetric matrix are real. Therefore answer A is correct. All eigenvalue of A are real. Next question. Mn over C denote the algebra of all n cross n matrices over the field C of a complex number. Which of the following hold? Here I take a 2 cross 2 matrix, and for option number of linearly independent vectors in Mn over C is always less than n cube. Here I take 2 1 and 2 3. Here rank is a 2 and n cube. Here 2 cross 2 matrix, therefore n cube equal to 2 cube equal to 8. Therefore answer 2 is less than 8. Option C is correct. Next question. Let T from he to he be a linear transformation of a finite dimensional vector space over F such that all the eigenvalue of T are non-zero and lie in F. Then there is the basis of V such that. Here given a eigenvalue of T are non-zero. This is very important. Non-zero means determinant is not equal to 0. Determinant is not equal to 0, then implies that matrix is invertible. Therefore answer C is correct. And every diagonal matrix is triangulizable. This is also correct. A. Next question. Let phi from R4 to R2 be defined by phi of W x y z equal to W minus x y minus z. A basis for the null space of phi is. What is the null space? It means 0 0 0 0 0. And first of all check for option 1, and given that W minus x and y minus z, put this value in, put option A value in phi of W x y z, that is W minus x 1 0 minus 1 0, this matrix get, and next option here we get, and here we get, and here we get. Here in option C we get 0 0 0 0. This is a nullity, means null space of phi. Therefore answer C is correct. Next question. The Jordan canonical form of an nilpotent 4 cross 4 matrix A with A cube is not equal to 0 has to be. This is a 0 0 0 0. This is the null matrix. The A cube is a non-zero. This is not possible. Therefore answer option A is not correct. And now check for option B. This is A raised to 4 is not equal to 0. This is a nilpotent matrix, and here A cube is a non-zero by Jordan canonical block. Jordan canonical form. Therefore answer B is correct. Next question. Suppose the matrix A equal to given is a Hermitian then XYZ must be. What is the Hermitian matrix? A square matrix A is said to be Hermitian if A raised to theta equal to A. Here put x equal to 3, y equal to 0 and z equal to 3. We get Hermitian matrix. This is a Hermitian matrix. Therefore answer B is the correct. Next question. The two-dimensional subspace of RQ can be geometrically described as. Here two-dimensional means xy plane and subspace of RQ. RQ means 0, 0, 0 all plane passing through origin. Answer B is correct. Next question. Let A is a given one. This is a triangular matrix. What is the characteristic polynomial of a triangular matrix? That is the product of eigenvalue. Here eigenvalue are 1, 2, 3. That is lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2, lambda minus 3. This is a triangular matrix. Then it is a diagonal or eigenvalue. Therefore answer D is correct. Next question. This is for your homework. Next question. A dimension of a vector space M. Here given M cross N matrix Aij belongs to complex number. This is very important. This is a complex C over the field R. C over R. What is the dimension of that matrix? That means C over R. C over R equal to R over R is M into N, and C over R equal to 2 into M into N. This is the correct. Therefore answer B is correct. Next question. Let A is given 3 minus 2 9 minus 3. Pick the correct statement. Find A inverse. In option A given, find A inverse. And one formula, standard formula, A into adjoint of A equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. Adjoint of A upon determinant of A equal to A inverse, and find adjoint of A. What is the adjoint of A for a true cos 2 matrix? Here determinant is a -9 and this is adjoint of A, and take a negative sign as a common. Here finally we get A inverse equal to -1 upon 9 into A. This is correct. Therefore answer D is correct. Next question. Let A equal to 5 to 0k. If A satisfies the polynomial equation x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0, then k must be. This is a one shortcut formula for find a characteristic polynomial. X square minus trace of A x plus determinant of A equal to 0. Here given a trace equal to 7 and determinant equal to 10. Trace equal to 7 and determinant equal to 10. What is the trace? Sum of eigenvalue 5 plus k equal to 7. That is put k equal to 2. We get trace 7 and k equal to 2. Determinant we get 10. Therefore answer C is correct. That is 2. 5 plus 2 equal to 7 and 5 into 2 equal to 10. This is a determinant. This is a trace. Answer C is correct. Next question. Suppose A is n cross n real matrix and k is greater than 1 is such that A raised to k is 0. Then which one of the following correct? This is answer D is correct. 1 minus A inverse and 1 plus A inverse both exist. Next question. Let P2 over R be the vector space of all real polynomial of degree less than or equal to 2, and let S equal to x plus 1 x square plus x minus 1 x square minus x plus 1. If W denote the linear span of S, then This is finally we get polynomial of degree 2. That means option A is correct. Next question. If A is a 3 cross 3 real matrix with the determinant 6, and a trace of A equal to 0, and determinant is a 6. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Suppose we can take a 3 minus 1 minus 2 eigenvalue, and we get here determinant is a 6 and the trace is a 0. 3 minus 3, therefore answer trace is a 0 we get. And find a plus I. Here given a plus I is a singular. A plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, and minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1, and finally determinant singular means determinant is a 0. Product of eigenvalue is equal to 0, therefore this is a singular matrix. This is an eigenvalue, therefore answer D is correct. Next question. Let given a 1 t square and s is equal to t belongs to C such that is then which of the following correct. Find a determinant. Here find a determinant, and finally we get t square. Such type of equation, and here are two roots. That means S is a set with the two elements. Here we get 2 roots, therefore S is a set with the 2 elements. Answer D is correct. Next question. Let A is given and N are denote the respectively null space of A and range space of A. Which one of the following is correct? Here find rank and nullity. Here find rank, we get answer rank is 3. In this matrix rank is 3, and therefore answer B is correct, R equal to R cube. Next question. A basis for the orthogonal complement of the linear span of 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0 and R cube as a vector space over R is find other. And what is the basis? If determinant is non-zero, then it is a form a basis. And this is written as a 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0 and 2, 3, 0, and check for option. I choose option B, 0, 0, 1, and finally we get determinant is not equal to 0, therefore answer B is correct. Next question. Consider the xy plane R2 as a vector space over R. Which of the following is not a linear transformation? First of all, check for 0, 0, 0. What is the reflection? If T is a reflection about y-axis along x-axis, then T of AB equal to minus AB. This is for reflection. For all AB belongs to R2 is a linear operator. Now check for option D, a reflection about the line y equal to 1. Y equal to put B equal to 1, that is written here, and finally we get minus AB, minus A into 1, put 0, 0, first property of basis, linear transformation, and finally we can't get 0, 0, therefore answer D is not correct, but here ask not a linear transformation, therefore answer D is correct. Next question. Let V be a vector space over a field C of complex number. Which one of the following statement is true? Here in option A, dimension of V over R may be infinite. This is not possible. Even if dimension of V over C is finite, this is also not possible. If dimension of V over R equal to dimension of V over C, this is also not possible. And dimension of Q over V over Q, here dimension of V over Q is a infinity. This is not possible. Therefore, option C is correct. Other option are wrong. Next question. Rank of the linear transformation given by the matrix is find the determinant of that matrix. Determinant is non-zero. Then rank of the matrix is 3 and fill up rational number. Option D is correct. If T is a singular linear transformation of a vector space V over real number, then singular linear transformation, it means determinant is equal to 0. Then at least one of eigenvalue is 0. Other are non-zero. Therefore, at least one non-zero eigenvector exists. Therefore, option C is correct. Next question. Let T from R cube to R cube be a linear mapping defined by T of ABC equal to 0 AB. Then kernel of T square is equal to this is for your homework. Next question. Let V be a vector space of all polynomial with real coefficient of degree less than or equal to 2. Here given f of x equal to x minus 1, that is written here x minus 1, g of x equal to x plus 1, and h of x and g of x is equal to x square plus 1. And in option C, check for f of x minus g of x plus g of x is equal to h of x. Now check for here minus 1, x cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Finally we get x square minus 1, that is x square minus 1 is a h of x. Therefore option C is a correct statement. Next question. Let U and V are two vector space over the same field F. U is a finite dimensional and T from U to V is a linear transformation. Then rank of T plus nullity of T. This is the rank nullity theorem. Rank of T plus nullity of T is equal to dimension of domain. What is the domain here? Dimension of U is the answer. Next question. Let A and B be two positive real number, then the number of real eigenvalue of the matrix. Number of real eigenvalue. Find eigenvalue of this matrix. Here A and B are a positive real number. Put A is equal to 2 and put B is equal to 3 and finally we get 2 eigenvalue. Therefore answer C is correct. Next question. Let W be a subspace of a real vector space V with basis W1, W2, W3, W4. Here I written as here, and U is the subspace of V with basis W1, W2, W3, U1, U2. Then dimension of U intersection V. Here written W1 to W4, and this is common. This is a U1 intersection U intersection W. Therefore here intersection is a 3 less than or equal to 3. This is not possible. And if I take W4 equal to U1 or U2, then we get U intersection W equal to 4. If I take W4 equal to U1, then I get U intersection W equal to 4. Therefore 3 is greater than or equal to. Answer is A correct. Next question. Let V be a finite dimensional vector space over a field F. S be an non-empty subset of V. Which of the following statement is true? Your answer is if S is finite and coordinate of S is greater than 1, then S contains a basis of a subspace of V. Answer D is correct. Next question. determinant of the matrix. Here given a determinant here, and in option A is given 0 over the field F2 with 2 elements. What is the field F2? In F2 contains 0, 1 only element, and 3 here 3 given modulo 2, that is answer is 1, and 4 modulo 2 is 0, 5 modulo 2 is equal to 1. Write all matrix and find a determinant. Finally I find a determinant, and a determinant equal to 0 over the field F2 with 2 elements. This is correct. Therefore option A is correct. Next question. Let T from V to W be a linear mapping where V and W are a vector space over R of dimension 5 and 6 respectively. Here dimension of V equal to 5, dimension of W equal to 6. Which of the following need not be true? Here nullity of T is if I take rank of T is 5, and this is also possible. Option C, this is also possible. 5 is less than or equal to 6, this is also correct. And if I take nullity rank of T equal to 5 and nullity of T equal to 1, this is also possible. 1 is less than or equal to 5, this is also true. Therefore this is not possible for rank of T is less than or equal to nullity of T. If I take rank equal to 5 and nullity of T equal to 1, this is not possible. Therefore option D is not correct. Next question. Let A be a 3 cross 3 matrix with integer entries. Assume that A inverse also has a integer entries. Then determinant of A. Find a determinant of A. We know that A into A inverse, that is orthogonal matrix. What is the determinant of orthogonal matrix? Plus or minus 1. Therefore option D is correct. Next question. Endomorphism V over F denote the set of all F endomorphism of V. Which one of the following statement is true? Option and F endomorphism of V is always a F vector space. Option C is correct. Next question. Let A be a 2 cross 2 real matrix. Then which one of the following is true? A is invertible if A has a non-real complex eigenvalue. Option A is correct. Here in option, check for option B. If A is invertible, then there is always a non-zero real eigenvalue of A. This is not possible. No, always a non-zero real eigenvalue of A. This is also path. This is also path. Check next. Let T be endomorphism of a two-dimensional vector space V over a field of a rational number. Which of the following is true? There may not be any basis of V with respect to which the matrix of T is a diagonal. Answer D is correct. Next question. Which of the following pairs of a matrices over R? This is important. Over R are similar. What is similar? If A and B are similar, then trace, determinant, eigenvalue, characteristic polynomial, minimal polynomial, all are and Jordan canonical form. This is also same. Then that matrix A and B are said to be similar. Now check for in option A. Here trace is a 2. Here trace is a 3. 2 is not equal to 3. Therefore option A is not true. In option B, here Jordan block are different and here Jordan block are different. Therefore option B is also wrong. In option C, Here also Jordan block are different, and here also Jordan block are different. Therefore option C is also wrong. Here check for trace equal to 2 and determinant equal to 1, and Jordan block also same. Therefore option D is the correct. Next question. Let f2 over x be the vector space of all polynomial of degree at most 2 over a field f. Define t from f2 over x to f2 over x by t of f equal to f dash, that is df by dx. Then the matrix of t with respect to basis given that, and find with respect to basis, and answer we get option B. Next question. Let A is given, then the eigenvalue of A. Find eigenvalue of A. Find what type of a matrix. This is a Hermitian matrix. All eigenvalue of Hermitian matrix are real. This is very simple. Next question. Let V is given ABCD. Here 4 n minus linearly independent equation, that is here given n equal to 4 and linearly independent equation, that is here this is one equation, this is one equation, both are linearly independent, that is written as a 2 linearly independent. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Option B is correct. Next question. If A, B, C, D, A is less than B is less than C is less than D, are a fixed real number. I take A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1, C equal to 3, D equal to 4. And real number W, X, Y, Z are represent any real number. Which pair of the following matrix can never be similar? What is the similar matrix? A and B are similar if both matrices are same trace, same eigenvalue, same determinant. In option A, check for, put this value equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and here given trace is 3, here given trace is 7. This is not possible. Therefore option A is not a similar matrices. Next question. If A is a 6 cross 6 matrix of a rank 4, then its nullity is. What is the rank nullity theorem? Dimension of domain equal to rank of T plus nullity of T. Here given a 6 cross 6 matrices. Here 6 is the domain, and here given a rank is 4 and find a nullity. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Option C is correct. Next question. Let A and B are idempotent matrix, then AB is idempotent if AB equal to B. This is option D is correct. Next question. Which of the following is true for the system of linear equation? Here 3 linear equation given, and unique solution, no solution, infinite, many solution. First of all, find determinant of that matrix. If determinant is a non-zero, then it is a unique solution. If determinant of equal to 0, then find the next step, find adjoint of A and multiply into B. What is a B? B is 1, 2, 5. 3 cross 1 matrix, and if adjoint of A into B is non-zero, then it is a no solution. If adjoint of A into B equal to 0, then it is a infinitely many solution. There find, and we get option B is correct, no solution. This is the true. Next question. The matrix 0 I minus I 0 is a, this is a complex. Therefore this is a skew Hermitian matrix. A theta equal to minus A. Next question. The dimension of the vector space consisting of all n cross n matrices with real entries. Here given n cross n matrices. N cross n, that is n square, with real entries having trace 0. Here linearly independent equation is 1, that is written as 1, n square minus 1. This is finally we get option D is correct. Next question. The dimension of the T Rn to Rm, the set of all transformation from Rn to Rm as the real vector space. Here given R over R, real vector space over R, therefore R over R we get Mn. If the C over R answer is the 2Mn. Next question. The vector PQ and RS in R2 are linearly dependent. Here option is given. Dependent means determinant equal to 0. Linearly independent means determinant is not equal to 0. Here put this value PQ and RS and find its determinant. PS minus RQ equal to 0 and PS equal to RQ. Finally we get option A is correct. Next question. Let f from R4 to R4 be a linear mapping. If the minimal polynomial of f is x square plus 1, then the characteristic polynomial of f can be. This is important, can be. Minimum polynomial is x square plus 1 and the characteristic polynomial also x square plus 1. This is possible. Next question. Let T from U to V be a surjective linear mapping and dimension of U equal to 6, dimension of V equal to 3. Surjective means onto function. T from 6 to 3. This is onto function. Here 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Finally we get dimension of curl T. Answer is 3. Next question. The dimension of the subspace of RQ spanned by 3 minus 3 0 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 3 0 minus 1 3 0 minus 1 and find the determinant, and determinant is not equal to 0, then plus dimension is equal to 3. If determinant equal to 0, then dimension is less than or equal to less than 3. The check dimension is non-zero, therefore option C is correct. Answer is 3. Next question. Let V1 and V2 be two subspace of a vector space V. With V1 intersection V2 is equal to 0. Here given V1 intersection V2 equal to 0 and basis V1 and V2 respectively. Then a basis of V1 plus V2. Find basis of V1 plus V2. What is the one formula? Dimension of V1 plus V2 equal to dimension of W1 plus dimension of minus dimension of W1 intersection V2. Here given W1 intersection V1 intersection V2 equal to 0. That is dimension of V1 plus V2. Option A is correct. Next question. Let A equal to ABCD and A plus D equal to 1 and AD minus BC equal to 1. Then find AQ. Here A plus D means sum of this one, this is a trace, and AD minus BC is this is a determinant. And here given a determinant equal to trace equal to 1. Here I take that matrix. Here determinant is a 1, trace is a 1 and determinant is a 1. And find AQ. Find AQ, we get minus I2. Next question. If A is equal to given matrix, then A adjoint of A. Find A adjoint of A. This is one standard formula. A adjoint of A equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. Here determinant is 10 for that matrix and into identity matrix, we get option A. Next question. Let V be a n-dimensional vector space and T be a linear transformation on V such that rank of T and the nullity of T are identical. Identical means same. If I take n is a even means I take a 14, and finally we get rank of T is 7 and nullity of T is 7. 7 plus 7 14. This is a possible. Option A is the correct. Let V is a n-dimensional vector space and T is a linear transformation on V such that rank of T and the nullity of T are identical. This is a repeated question. N is given. If let T from R6 to R6 be a linear mapping such that T square equal to 0. Here given R6, that is 6 upon find T square. Here given T square is equal to 6 upon 2 greatest integer function, that is option answer 3 is the correct. 3 is less than or equal to option A is the correct. Next question. What is the set of eigenvalue of the matrix? Set of eigenvalue. What is the trace? Sum of eigenvalue is equal to trace, that is here in this matrix 1 plus 5 plus 1 7 is the trace. And now check for in option what is the trace. We get option 6 7. 2 plus 3 plus 6, this is not possible. 2 plus 7 plus 6, this is also not possible. And now check for option D. 1 plus 3 plus 6, this is also not possible. In option C, minus 2 plus 3 plus 6, that is 7, this is a possible. Therefore option C is the correct. Next question. Which of the following is the true for arbitrary non-null n cross n matrices A and B? N is greater than or equal to 2. Here option C is correct. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Next question. Let V be the vector space. Let V be the space of all n cross n real skew. This is also repeated. Real skew symmetric matrices. Then find the dimension of V over R. V over R, that is R over R. Here given real and over R, that is R over R. That is n minus 1 upon 2. If they ask C over R, then option is n square minus n. Next question. If A is an m cross n matrix and B is a non-singular matrix of order m, then option get rank of BA is less than or equal to rank of A. Next question. Let A be a 3 cross 3 square matrix with eigenvalue 2, 3, minus 1 and B equal to A square plus A. Then determinant of B. Find determinant of B is equal to. Find this is for homework. Next question. Which of the following mapping is the linear transformation? T of 0. Find first step. T of 0 0 equal to 0 0. In option A is correct. Next question. Let T from R2 to R cube be defined by T of xy equal to x plus y, x minus y, y. Here x plus y is written as x, y, 0. R cube to R cube. Here 0, here 0, here 0. And find then the dimension of the range space of RT. find a determinant and determinant equal to 0, therefore answer is rank is less than 3, and find a determinant of these two matrix, and this is also Nachakpra, this is determinant of 2, and this is a non-zero, therefore option C is correct. That is a determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix is a non-zero, therefore rank is a 2. Next question. If S and T are a linear transformation on R2 defined by S of xy is equal to high x and T of xy is equal to 0x, then option we get S of xy equal to high x, this is written, and this is for a square, this is written as this is here, and finally we get xy, and this is identical, and s square is equal to I. And next for T of xy is equal to 0x, and T of 0x is equal to 0, this is T square is equal to 0. Option A is correct. Next question. If A is a n cross n square matrix, then which one of the following assertion is correct? If determinant of A equal to 0, if and only if rank of A is less than or equal to n minus 1, this is very important. In option C, determinant of A equal to 0 implies rank of A is equal to n. This is not possible. This is possible only when determinant of A is non-zero, and the determinant of A equal to 0 implies rank of A is equal to n square. This is also not possible. Option B is correct. Next question. A real symmetric matrix is a positive definite if and only if all its eigenvalues are positive. This is a direct statement. Next question. Which one of the following is a subspace of Rn? Option B is correct. Next question. In R-cube, two-dimensional subspace can be geometrically described as all plane passing through origin. This is also repeated question. For a square matrix A, which one of the following statement is not true? Here ask not true. Other options are correct. 0 is an eigenvalue of A if and only if E is non-singular. This is not possible. This is 0 is eigenvalue if and only if A is singular, then it is possible. A satisfies its characteristic equation. This is correct. A and A transfer have same eigenvalue. This is also correct. This is one formula. Next question. Let f from R2 to R2 be defined by f of xy equal to x plus y and x plus y, that is written as x1111. Then the basis and the dimension of the image of f and the dimensional kernel of f respectively. Find its rank. Rank is here determinant equal to 0, therefore rank is less than 2, that is 1. Rank is 1. Option B and option C as not correct. Here 2 cross 2 matrix. Here rank is 1, and 2 minus by rank nullity theorem 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Here rank is 1 and nullity is 1. Therefore option A is correct. This is the last question. Thank you for watching this video. Give feedback of this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.